My head Bulgaria, guys, and the waterfall and the hut area over there in between some folks also next to the hut. This here is the Rai Hut and the Raiskото Prskalo waterfall. Raiskото Prskalo means in Bulgarian the heavenly sprayer. So they titled the waterfall the heavenly sprayer because mostly it's like a sprayer over there. So folks, this is the highest waterfall on the Balkan Peninsula. The highest, like higher in the mountains, and then at the same time also it's with the biggest height itself, you know. When it's spring is bigger though, now it's kind of half the length, but it's geographically considered the biggest waterfall on the Balkan Peninsula. And this absolutely amazing, the century-old beechwood forest. Most of these beech trees are at least 100 years old. This one is 1 meter thick. You can see my hand against it is quite thick of a tree, and it's just absolutely amazing here. I love it. Also nearby, I'm gonna show you later, there is this old ancient Thracian civilization, another this time it's temple with the phallus in the middle, a big phallus shaped stone in the middle of a circle, shaped inside the rocks, and with behind on the rocks there is a spot in between the rocks where on the summer solstice the Thracian tribes were making so the light appears exactly through this narrow part and brings light to the other side of they were worshipping such temples, they were sacrificing animals and so on. And lovely forest, folks.